How to fix Instagram will limit how often. So this problem is very easy to solve, so please keep watching this video until the end. First thing you have to do is just open the settings page on your Android phone or even your iOS, and after you open it, then go to the apps manager and go here to apps, and now scroll until you find the Instagram. After you find it, click on it. And when you click on it now, all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click here on this force stop option, and then go down to the power usage and click on it, and click here again on this force stop for the power, and then go back, click here on the storage, click on clear data, and now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.